Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, we're comparing Shopify and Dropify, two platforms that help you build and run your online store. We'll go over their features, ease of use, pricing, integrations, and everything you need to know so you can choose the right one for your business. But before we get started, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First off, a quick overview of the platform. Shopify, one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world. It gives you everything you need to build your store, manage products, track orders, accept payments, and grow your business. It's known for being powerful, flexible, and packed with features that work for both beginners and large brands as well. Dropify, on the other hand, is mainly built for sellers who want a simpler and more lightweight experience. It focuses on giving you a quick way to start selling online without dealing with complicated tools. It's especially helpful for beginners and small sellers who want something straightforward and easy to learn. Now, let's look at features. Shopify gives you a complete set of tools, including product listings, inventory management, payment processing, marketing tools, built-in analytics, shipping integrations, and then, of course, thousands of apps that you can add to expand your store. It also has a lot of themes that make your store look professional. Dropify offers fewer features, but the ones it has are very easy to use. You get product management, order tracking, COD support, domains, funnels, and basic e-commerce tools. It's not as advanced as Shopify, but it's simple enough for people who want to start selling fast without learning too much. Let's talk about user experience. Shopify is clean and well organized, but it has so many features that beginners may need a little time to get comfortable. The good thing is Shopify offers guides, tutorials, and customer support that will help you learn everything step by step. Now, Dropify is simpler and easier to use right out the gate. The dashboard is basic and doesn't really have too many options, which makes it great for beginners who only want the essentials. If you want something stress-free and you don't need a lot of advanced tools, Dropify feels easier. Integrations. Shopify wins here because it connects with thousands of apps and tools. You can add email marketing platforms, shipping companies, payment gateways, print on demand services, and literally much more. Dropify offers fewer integrations because it's meant to stay simple and not overload users with too many choices. If you want lots of customizations, Shopify is better. If you want a simple setup without extra tools, Dropify works just fine. Pricing. Shopify starts with the basic plan is $25 a month. Grow $65 per month. Advanced $399 per month. And Plus is $2,300 per month. Dropify offers pay-as-you-go at $0 per month, startup at $19.99 per month, business at $49.99 per month, unlimited is $99.99 per month. So, which one do you choose? If you want powerful features, lots of apps, professional themes, and room to grow, Shopify is the better choice. It's great for long-term business, but if you're just starting out, you want something simple, and you prefer a low-cost option, Dropify is easier and more beginner-friendly. That's it for the video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, don't forget to check the link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you out at all, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.